Hello, welcome to one more video about how to use ZSCAN EVO. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your report templates. First, I want to show you one very important thing about ZSCAN EVO. The way we constructed ZSCAN, you have the report editor, okay, and the report editor, you're gonna deal with adding the content to your report based on a template. Okay, so the templates we have here, like upper endoscopy. Let me go and show you your report template and with all the fields. So in this part that you're gonna use every day in a daily basis, you're gonna create your report. So all the changes, everything you're gonna do here, it's related to the content of your report, not the structure. Okay, you can choose your photos, add your text, and also create your favorites descriptions. So you're gonna add the descriptions. For instance, for each uh, field, you can come and create a description. Like here, I'm gonna show you on this first one. I have two: medication 1, medication 2. And second, you can save a full report content or description, okay, uh, into your favorites. How to do that? You go save favorites, okay, give the report a name. For instance, let's say it's a normal, okay, normal. You mark it as a favorite report. So this report, everything you write on this report will be saved at this very moment, so you can reuse it later on, anytime. Let's confirm that. Okay, I already have a normal. Let's put normal 3. Okay, here we go. Save it. So every time you come to favorites, you're gonna click on the favorite, and all the fields will be populated with the information that you have put there. So it becomes very easy to create a report, to make a report in ZSCAN after you created many variations of these favorites of this report. Okay, so having said that, I'm gonna go back to the main objective of this video, which is customizing the structure of your report template. Okay, so by going to administration, you choose template, and you have many templates here. Okay, let's take this upper endoscopy, and here you have the template with the structure. On the left side, you can see the header. Okay, so here you can change and customize the header or the footer. Okay, uh, where the images, the next topic is the images, so you can choose where the images will be put or will appear on your report. So you can choose 4 images on the right, let's say 4 images on the left, or I want to have 4 images uh, at the bottom. Okay, so that 4 images will appear on the next page because you have many fields here. So if you want to understand a little bit more, it's easy to have in mind that on these images where you choose 4 images here, actually you are choosing how many columns of images you're gonna have on your report. For instance, you might think I want to increase the size of the images. Okay, the images are put according to how many columns you choose to have on your template. So here, if I choose 2, two images down. Okay, so I have two columns of images, so you're gonna have bigger images. So if I change to 6, so I have 6 pictures here, 6 photos on my report. If I want to have 3 columns, the ZSCAN will adapt the size of the image to 3 columns. So that's how you choose the size of the image within your report, okay? Because everything is condensed to a certain area and is automatically adjusted to what you want, okay? And here you choose the number of the images. So you can actually have 12, and you can have 12 photos added to a page. So next thing we have here is the size of the paper you're using to for printing purposes, or the landscape, the paper orientation, portrait or landscape. Here we are going to use portrait, okay. And now the fields. Here you can add, and also you can uh, delete or edit the fields. So you have the first here, medication, okay. So you have many types of fields. Let's say this field, you give it a title and you choose the kind of field you want. We have label for titles, okay, like you have here medication. So you can have a checkbox, also simple text. It's a one-line text, okay. And according to as you type your text later on when you're creating the report, the text will adjust and go to the second line normally, so you don't have to worry about that. And a bigger text, so it's a text field a little bit larger, okay. I Personally, I like to use the simple text because the text will adapt to what you're writing, so you don't waste space on your report as you're creating it. So just a quick tip there, okay. So next thing, you will be able to have these optional fields. You can see that you can enable and disable these fields. What you're gonna do, you just by choosing a field is gonna add to this just right below the header. You have the patient ID and everything, so you can actually choose what kind of information you want to appear there. Different countries, different places, different rows. So you can add here um the information you think it's convenient and the one that you want to appear on your report. Okay, moving forward, you have the signature. So as I have the electronic signature enabled here, you can as well change the size of this signature, okay. So you can make it bigger and you can make it smaller. So I like, this is for me the perfect size, okay. You can also use have a picture frame, which is it doesn't show here. When you have an actual picture, it's gonna show the frame. That line, a black line, this black line here, you can add and take it off, okay. And reference image for you to add. So another very nice thing, if you want to control the margins, so you can here add less or more space to the margins. So here you can also configure your settings for to align to the right, uh, to the center, or to the left, and or justify align settings. Okay. Okay. Next. So moving to this other part here, where I'm showing you can control and customize the fonts you are using on your report. Okay, so bear in mind here on your right side, apply to, you have you can choose the changes to be applied to a field or to a label. So if I want to have my labels in a different font type, I just choose the font type here. I see, okay, and I want to change the field, the field's font type. I can go there and change to field, and the changes will be applied to fields. So very easy to set different font types for your report template. Okay, so you can choose the font size as well. So again, the apply to rule, you have to go here. I want to apply this to the field, so I choose a very small, or I can choose a bit small or normal. Okay, I like the a bit small. It's you add more room to your, and it's still very readable. Okay. Okay, so this is how you actually create your report and make your report the way you want in ZSCAN EVO.